Hi everybody. Firstly, I'd just like to thank you for taking the time for helping us out in our research investigation. The first round of prototypes is to determine a good concept and in which direction we're going to go moving forward. We're ultimately going to show you 4 different solutions that the team has come up with individually, and we wish to show you all 4 of those solutions, and we value your opinions and constructive criticisms, both being negative and positive, so we can take the good and the bad out of each of them and hopefully come up with a really good concept at the end of it. So my solutions, as you can see here, is a trolley and basket system. And in conjunction with that, I'm proposing that the shopping centres may be able to develop an app that can be downloaded to your phone, and you can take your phone to the shopping centres, place it on a docking station on the handle, and the idea of that is to scan a basket as you go to fill it. You can scan the basket first, and as you fill that basket from the items from the shopping centre, you scan each item via your phone, place it in the basket, and then once that basket is filled, you scan the next basket, place it in the shopping trolley, and then you fill that one up in the same way. The idea of it is so when you get to the checkout, you shouldn't have to, or hopefully you don't have to, unload all your baskets or take all the food out of all the baskets. What I'm proposing is that the conveyor belt at the shopping centre, where you normally put your loose food onto to get it to the checkout person, has a scale built into it. Now you unload each basket out of your shopping trolley onto the conveyor belt, or if you prefer to go through the self-checkout, you should be able to just put it at the self-checkout, plug your phone in or Bluetooth your shopping list that you've just done to the to the device or to the checkout person, and the computer will automatically compare the weight of each basket to the shopping list of the items that should be in that basket. And as long as the software is all running quite good, it should be quite a quick process to move through the shopping checkout. Now, I did measure the shopping trolleys that are being used at the shopping centre at the moment. This one here is scaled at 1:2.6 off a shopping trolley I used at Coles supermarket, with a slight difference. This base here in this setup is 200 mils lower than the base of their larger shopping trolleys, and the reason for that is to accommodate the baskets, obviously. The other feature of this base being so low at this point in time, it's not a fixed base. The idea is, as you take your shopping baskets out of your basket carrier at the front and place it into the shopping trolley, and as you load each individual one up, this base moves down. Like when it's unloaded, it's up just above halfway, and as you load it up, it starts to go down to its fully extended level. And the idea of that is to save people's backs. No one wants to reach over the top of a shopping trolley to reach down to the bottom and lift out a basket that could be quite heavy. The idea of an adjusting base in the basket is just to make life a little bit easier and to help facilitate the not needing plastic bags. There may be an issue with that because, as I said, it's 200 mil lower, and that leaves you with a clearance from the ground to the base of the basket of 200 mil. I have not researched whether this is an issue for going down or up escalators, if people need to go over speed bumps or anything of that nature. But this round of prototyping isn't going into specifics. It's mainly to decide on which concept or what parts of each concept that are being presented to you are workable and usable. And once we've come up with a single way of moving forward, then we'll move into more detailed prototyping and iterations. I'd like to thank you for your time. We really do value your input, and we'd love to hear the negatives just as much as the positives, because they all do help. Thank you.